Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at a piece of equipment you hope you'll never need, but, well, if you do, you want it to work. We're talking about emergency vehicle escape tools, specifically the Safe Pro X. Our mission is to cut through the marketing noise and figure out if this little gadget really delivers when it matters most, based on what the sources are telling us. Okay, so let's unpack this. The basic pitch is really simple. You've got a seatbelt cutter and a hardened glass breaking tip. It's meant to get you out of a trapped vehicle fast.
And what's interesting is the sources confirm the baseline quality. It seems to be there. Customers say the tool shows up just as it's described, and it even comes with a small piece of test glass.
Oh, that's interesting. So you can see it works.
Exactly. It gives you a bit of initial confidence that it does what it's supposed to do, fundamentally. And this isn't some phantom product. You see similar designs all over, and Safe Pro X itself is sold on big platforms like Walmart.
So it's a real physical product you can actually get your hands on.
Right. It's not just some dropship thing from a sketchy website.
Right, but this is where it gets really interesting. The marketing claims. I mean, they lean very optimistic. We saw things like one finger press frees you in 6 to 10 seconds.
Yeah, and that's a big claim. Real emergencies are almost never that neat or tidy. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, all the sources agree that its performance can vary drastically.
So that raises the key question, right? If the tool itself is basically okay, what makes it succeed or fail?
Well, there are a few critical factors, and the number one thing is the type of glass in your car.
Okay, let's talk about that.
Well,
Laminated versus tempered glass. Why is that the absolute core of this?
that's the whole ballgame right there. Most car side windows are tempered glass. Tempered glass is designed to shatter into a million little sort of dull pieces.
Right.
And that's exactly what these spring-loaded tools are built to do. They hit it with a sharp, concentrated force, and the whole thing just crumbles.
But laminated glass is different.
Completely different. Many newer cars, especially higher-end models or EVs, use laminated glass on the side windows now, just like a windshield.
So it's 2 layers of glass with plastic in between.
Exactly. And when you hit that, it just spiderwebs. It cracks, but it holds together.
So this tool.
It becomes pretty much useless for breaking that window, no matter how many times you press it. For those cars, it's basically just a seatbelt cutter.
Wow. That really puts the whole 6 to 10 second claim into a different light, doesn't it?
It really does. And there were 2 other factors the sources mentioned: where you store it and how you handle stress.
Yeah, let's give some actual guidance on that. Why is storage so important?
Because if it's in your glove box or, I don't know, the center console, you might not be able to reach it after a crash.
Right, if you're pinned or trapped.
For it to be effective, you need it within immediate reach. Clip to the sun visor, maybe in the driver's side door pocket, somewhere you can grab without thinking.
And what about stress? How do you prepare for the panic?
Familiarity. The best thing you can do is just know the tool, take it out of the package, hold it, maybe practice the spring-loaded action once or twice so you know how it feels. That muscle memory can cut through the adrenaline.
Okay, let's pivot for a second. The physical tool seems viable with some big caveats, but what about its digital footprint? Sources show the website has a pretty low trust score on places like Scam Advisor. What's going on there?
This is a really nuanced point. That low score isn't necessarily about the product. It's a reflection of the website's, well, its age.
Its age.
Yeah, the sources say the site is extremely young. It was registered very recently, and it doesn't have many visitors, so these automated systems flag it.
So it's not a definite scam, just new.
It could be. Some scam sites do pop up and disappear, but because the product is also on Walmart, it suggests the low score is more about the site's newness than outright fraud.
So what's the bottom line for someone listening? What does this all mean for you?
It means you should see this as a useful tool to have in your kit, but not a miracle solution.
It improves your readiness.
Correct. It will probably work in a lot of common situations, especially against tempered glass and jammed seatbelts. It improves your odds, and that's what matters.
But it's not a replacement for caution and planning. You have to accept its limits.
And you, the owner, have to know your own car.
Exactly. Which brings us to our final thought for you to explore. Knowing that the type of window is the most critical variable. What are the quickest, zero-cost ways to figure out if your vehicle has laminated or tempered side windows before an emergency ever happens? The answer is actually surprisingly simple.